Alright guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can withdraw money from Uber Wallet. So what you want to do is close the Uber driver app and instead open up the browser on your phone. And here we will go to this website, wallet.uber.com. You will need to sign into your account and it's going to look like this. Now from here you will see your balance, and the first thing that we'll have to do is add our bank account if we haven't already done this. So click on add bank account. It's going to ask for the name of the account holder, routing number, the bank account number. You will need to re-enter the account number and also provide your date of birth, address, city, state, and postal code. After you have submitted this information or filled out this information, you will click on submit. Next, you will then go and just withdraw your balance here. So from the balance section, you will get an option to cash out. You will just click on cash out after you have added your bank account, and you can send the money from your Uber wallet to your bank. And that's how you do it. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.